What just happened? We're on. G'day guys, we are on super early here. Haven't had a drop at this spot before, but looks like a killer reef edge, so we wanted to give it a bell before any boats get in our way. Thanks for tuning in. It's a bit chilly this morning, but beautiful. We've had mega wind this morning, nothing, absolutely perfect. Just hoping something big floats past before all these boats come out, which they will because it's glass today. Absolutely perfect conditions. Thanks for tuning in. Hope everyone had a great Chrissy. It's the run of the new year. Any boats getting our way, mate, we're moving on. Well, we're right on the edge of a big reef. You get big Samson fish out here. A few years ago we got a belter. It was only about 100 metres out as well. Perfect start to the morning. Can we go to Zings? Thanks for tuning in. Guarantee you we don't have long out there. Oh, we're on! We're actually on here. Definitely got something on. It's not massive. Oh, it's feeling heavier now. Oh, this is pretty decent. Oh, we're getting great head shakes now. This is awesome. What have we got here? Oh, might be a little reef shark even. This is decent. We're nearly there. Oh, getting this guy in. It's bigger than I thought. Not far away now. We're getting good head shakes earlier. Still no one up and about here. What have we got, mate? I'm hanging to see what it is. It looked big when it was out there. You just see the water parting. What is this guy? Oh my gosh. Is it a ray? I do not know what that is. It's a shovel nose. Got a shovey. Hooked him underside. Nice little shoveler. We can send one more. Let's go. Oh, look at the edge of that spot. There's 2 baits out, 2 drops. Pretty happy with that. I thought we might only get 1. Whoa, anything like fast. I feel like we're getting little nibs at the moment. That turn into big stuff. Still got a little while, but I'm worried about the boat action. This feels like a ray. Feels like a shovel, right? It's big. There he is. Looks like a ray the way it's moving. It's a ray. That is a big boy. There he goes. See you, big fella. Right, predefined spot. Hadn't been here for a while. Let's give it a crack. Ah, we're good. Righto. Let's get out to an even further one on the long send today. It's coming out all right. I'm hoping there's an edge of a reef coming up shortly. And there it is. That's a big lump. Oh my God, we're on the edge of a real big lump. I can't believe I'm not getting bites there. That's incredible. Not even anything small though. I'm getting some interest on mine, I think. Come on, let's just if you're only going to give us one bite for the day. All right, last effort of the day. Oh, you're gonna have to drop the rod down, dude, when he gets close to you. And just hope the hell the fish isn't in the top of the water. 2 boats. Right, you're gonna need to start dropping down. Right down, dude, right down, right down. Yeah, right down. Keep it as low as you can. Keep it low, even if you get snagged. Don't reel in, just, oh yeah, really a little bit. Just go real low, yeah. We're praying this doesn't bite us off now. And we're hoping the next guy doesn't either. So you got a fish on. Don't go up yet, don't go up yet, go down. Yeah, you're still on, just go back down, mate, it's not worth it. Go right back down, yep. It's gonna take a while, yeah, give it a bit of line pull. 1 hookup of the day, the last thing we need is the boat to hurt us. Righto, yeah, that should be good, you reckon? Yeah, all right. Oh no. Don't worry, keep going. We've got to bring it anyway. You reckon it's off?
I want to say no.
Yeah.
It felt much heavier before.
It feels like there's something on still, I reckon. We did really well to get past those boats, and we've got jet skis coming too, so if you want to go auto one, it's getting dangerous out here now for drone lines. Yeah, we should be right. We are so lucky, mate. We are very lucky. Look, it's like a highway out there.
Got some resistance.
I think we might have a fish on here, mate.
Yep.
Is it just a big seaweed? Wow, we got that in the nick of time. Absolute nick of time. I don't think it's a fish on, is it? Oh, oh yeah! Woo! Keep going. Yeah, just manual wind now. Yeah! Are you serious? Amongst all of that, on the last drop, in front of 10,000 boats. Woo! More fillets. No way. How did we navigate that just then, and all those jet skis and all of that?
2 boats, 3 jetties, another boat just coming now. How was that coming in, man?
On the top, yeah. Skull dragged by the electric. Unbelievable stuff. On the last drop.
Literally drop bang.
Wow. Oh. He's got plenty of power still. I can't even hold him. Woo! Absolutely stoked with that one. Last drop. Woo! We've done it again. Woo! Well, that was mental. We still hooked up. Can't believe it. 6'7" size. Absolute perler. No other bites for the day. One hookup, a billion boats. And sometimes you just keep pushing through. We still had time up our sleeves, so we thought we'd give it a send. And mate, I think on the pull in there was, what, 3 boats, and then we had those 3 jet skis at the end. And still a 6'7".
It came across the top of the water.
And it came across the top of the water. Unbelievable. Should have the drone footage from that. Catch you later.